Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are talking about Indian economy and what are the problems facing by our government and how our concept will help to increase the economy of our country. Indian economy is the fifth largest economy in the world. Its GDP is $3.202 trillion. In the year 2016, Indian GDP was increased to 8.26%. But now GDP percentage was decreased due to the natural crisis like floods, corona lockdown, heavy rainfall. Now our government is planning to increase the economy of the country. At present, people of our country facing lots of financial problems due to corona lockdown effect, including large scale, small scales, shopkeepers, merchants and so on. And now the schools and colleges and also the loan EMIs were started. From this, lots of parents were confused and think that how can they manage these? We hope that government has a solution for these crises, and we hope government will take a rightful decision on this. We have to think about the government and their financial situations. Why should we leave the government to think of everything? We are also the people of India. We have that freedom to think for the betterment of our nation. We need to support our government in the improvement of our country. Yes viewers, we did that. Our team leader Mr. Yusuf created some innovative projects for development of our nation. He has created clear and clean plan. He created those projects with the basis of Scorpion mindset. In our India, lots of problems are there, such as employment creations, dropping in economy, poverty, and more. From his projects, we can provide lots of employment, and this project will play as a prominent role in our Indian economy. Yes, you can ask how. Just imagine, now you are earning around 10k salary, and your lifestyle and expenditures are minimal, and your expenses depends on your earnings and savings. If you get the double salary than the present salary, you will improve your lifestyle and your expenses will be more. For example, if you drink a coffee for 20 rupees, after the project implemented, you will spend 30 rupees to a coffee. That means your level will upgrade. You can also ask, from these, how will our nation's economy will increase? Yes viewers, a man spent 20 rupees for coffee. If the tax of the coffee is 4 rupees, after our project implemented, that man upgraded his lifestyle and he spent 30 rupees for that coffee in Deluxe Hotel. The tax also will increase. This is one type of tax benefit to our country. Our founder have lot of plans like this. So from this video, I'm saying that this project will create evolution in our country. So we are requesting to the government to implement this project, because we have to reach the benefits of this project from poor people to entrepreneurs. Our purpose is to help others and help them to improve their lifestyles, and has to help the talented youths who don't have any back support. We have to help them to improve themselves by this project. Our motto is think big and do big. Thank you viewers.